Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. We are going to be taking the back off as well as removing the boards from this LG unit behind me. It is a 42LE5400. If you need any help, if you need to order any parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to be starting with this LG unit is the actual plug that goes to the wall, the power cord that goes to the wall. There is just one screw right here keeping this little plastic piece on the little plastic door. Pop that out. I'm going to use a little screwdriver just to get a little bit of leverage. Pop it up on one side, whole thing comes out here. This does come away. You can just set this off to the side for now, and if you can see this plug, there are two buttons on the right and left side. We're going to push down on those and slowly work that away from the power supply board. I'm going to use both hands here to get a little bit more leverage. Comes out like so. We can set this off to the side for after we are putting it back together. The next step here is going to be to remove all the screws from the back. We do want to pay close attention to the component inputs here. There's a screw right in between that we're going to have to remove, as well as a few that are just kind of scattered out throughout the back. So do pay attention to that while we're doing this. And I am going to do a once over just to make sure that we did get all the screws out. Looks like we are good to go. Get this pulled up and away. Shouldn't be too much going on here other than just lifting it up away. Does feel like there are some light clips there on the top. No problem at all. And we're going to get into these boards. First up is the main board. We're going to want to remove these clips going around the outside. If you do notice, there's a couple clips that we're not using in this particular model, probably because this main board goes into multiple different models. First thing right here, we want to push down on these two buttons on either the right and left side of this clip. A little bit better angle, comes right out, not a problem at all. We're going to use our fingernail to flip up these flaps so these ribbon cables can come away. These two down here are going to have levers. We're going to use our thumbnail to depress the lever, which releases the latch. They come right out. Now we just got to get these screws out and this should come away from the chassis. And that should be our main board. The only other board in this unit is going to be the power supply board. First, what we're going to do is get these clips removed. This guy is really easy. We're just going to push down on the right and left side on these two little clips. Comes right out, not a problem. These two clips are going to be a little bit more difficult. There are two little latches on the plugs. They slide in and actually connect to those latches. So what we're going to do is just take a fine tip screwdriver, just a little bit of pressure just to get it unlatched from one side. We do the same thing on the other side. We do want to be gentle with this so we're not causing any damage to that plug. So as soon as you actually get it out of there, just want to grip it by that plug itself. Give it a little bit more love. There it goes. Same thing with this guy right here. Just enough so we can unlatch it on one side. Use it again. Just enough to unlatch it on the other side. They just come right away. Now we just got a handful of screws and we'll be finished here. And that should be it for the power supply board in this unit. Just lifts right away. All right, that's going to be it for this board removal tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you do subscribe, you'll receive 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.